a new home for a while.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on this channel, my name is Khadijah. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair installation video, and of course we'll be installing this lovely unit from Tinashe here. This unit is a 20-inch 5x5 red highlighted bodyweight wig, and I love it. Like, that is it. I love it. If you're interested and you want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and check out the video, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on this unit. This is their packaging. So we received some goodies in our package today. So this is the wig we're working with today. This unit is a 5x5 20-inch highlighted bodyweight wig. This is it. Super soft. Right off the bat, I really love this color. It's such a pretty color, and I definitely just love how they blend it together. The wig is super soft. The unit comes pre-plucked already. Everything was pretty much done to it. If you want to get this wig, go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchases. If you want to get any other products from Tinashe here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the So before I put my wig on, I'm just gonna go ahead and make some baby hair. Again, it is a 5x5 unit, so typically that stops right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make some baby hair to cover the rest of the hairline. I will be using my Cream of Nature Edge Control. I'm just gonna go ahead and make some baby hair. Alright guys, so I just finished making my baby hair. Again, these baby hair are gonna serve as edges because the unit is a 5x5 unit. It typically stops about right here, so these will act as baby hair for the wig. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip band on along with a wig cap, and then we can go ahead and move right along to our wig. I'm also going to just go ahead and put a wig cap over it. This is our base for today. Unfortunately, I won't be doing a bald cap method. This method works just fine. Now I'm about to put my wig on. I will be applying a little bit of foundation to the lace before I put my wig on, just to blend it better with my skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation. I always use the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I use this shade right here on the end. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn my wig inside out, apply some foundation, then we put our wig on. Alright guys, so I went ahead and added some foundation to the lace, and this is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. So right off the bat, I can tell you this wig fits great. The way it fits my head is so good, especially because this unit could be worn as a glueless unit. It fits my head perfect. So this is what the wig is looking like. Color is so pretty, first of all, and it is giving a really nice blend. I love it. So what I'm about to do now is to push the hairline back, cut the excess lace off, and then we glue our wig. But as you can see, for this unit, the little tracks that used to be right here, they aren't on this wig, which makes it way more easier for it to give a really natural look. So what I'm about to do now is to cut the excess lace off, but first I want to push the hairline back a little bit. I will be applying some of my Samnite wax stick to the hairline. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we finish up our wig. So they did send these two grab clips for us. I'm just gonna go ahead and push the hair back. So this is what our hairline is looking like. Now that we pushed it back, what I'm about to do now is to cut the excess lace off. I will be cutting it in a zigzag motion just to give it a more natural look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Alright guys, so this is what our hairline is looking like. Now that we pushed it back, Again, I will be applying glue to this unit, but if you want, you could wear it as a glueless unit, but this is what it's looking like. It is completely glueless. This is how natural the hairline actually looks. So the glue I will be using today is the olive oil wig grip spray. Just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to the hairline, and then we finish up our wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the hairline back a little bit, apply the glue, and then we apply the wig to it.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know, man, passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the...
So this is what our hairline looks like. Now that we applied the glue to it, I won't be making any baby hair, but I will be making some little sweeps at the side just to cover the ends. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I will be using my Got to Be Glue Invisible Styling Gel. But I think I want to keep this unit in the center, so I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair. Then we tie this down and get some curls into the unit. I wanted to show you guys why I made baby hair with my natural hair. So as you can see, me pulling back the wig is giving it a really nice look. It definitely makes you look like it's your natural hair. So I would advise you to make baby hair before you put your 5x5 or 4x4 units on. So you can put it behind the ear if you want to. You can put your hair in a bun if you want to. Pretty much it makes it look more real, more natural, and it looks like this. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my wig down, but I just wanted to show you guys that. So they did send us a melting band. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my wig down. So while this is drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some curls into this unit. One thing I must say about this unit though, it is giving off a really nice sheen. It did not look like this wig went through any coloring process, okay? It is giving a really nice silky red, silky black look, and I love that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some curls into this unit. Pretty much that is it. I won't be making any baby hair. So let's go ahead and finish up our wig. But again, this unit is from Tinashe Hair. It is a 5x5 20-inch body wave wig. This is it. So let's go ahead and finish up our wig, and I'll see you on the other side.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. I got some really nice curls in this unit. This is it. Super soft, super bouncy. This is it. Once again, today we're featuring Tinashe here, and this is their 20-inch 5x5 red highlighted body wave wig, and this is what it's looking like. Honestly, I would definitely give this unit a 9 out of 10. I love how the unit fits. First of all, I love how the unit fits. It melts great, and again, it could be worn as a glueless unit. The color combo is just on point, and I love how this wig just holds the curls. Honestly, I definitely love this unit. If you're interested and you want to purchase this unit, then go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Overall, I love the unit. It is giving a really pretty vibes. I love how the curls are looking. I love that it's giving a really natural look at around the hairline. This is it, guys. I love it. Unit is super soft, super bouncy. I love it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.
I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.